Hello again, everybody. I'm Brad. I am the head development brewer here at Northern Brewer, and we want to talk to you about another new recipe kit. This is the Captain's Ration. It's a foreign export stout, otherwise known as an extra stout, foreign extra stout, foreign stout, many names, all the same beer. But before I go too far, if you like these kind of videos about recipe kit releases, go ahead and hit like, hit that subscribe button so you can keep on top of all these videos as they come out. Pretty happy about this one. It turned out awesome. It's got more body, it's got more alcohol than like a dry Irish stout, but it's not quite up to the level of an imperial stout, so it kind of occupies that nice middle ground right there. Some stats on this beer: we are talking an original gravity of 1.072. It's got IBUs right at about 60, and it comes out to 7.1, 7.2% ABV. And it is fermented with Irish ale yeast, which is renowned for being great in dark worts. We've got 4 different English malts in here that you're going to steep if you're doing the extract kit. Otherwise, it gets mashed along with Maris Otter in the all-grain version. We've got chocolate malt, roasted barley, we've got light crystal malt, and Simpson's DRC. So we get this awesome, complex kind of array of flavors from the 2 different crystal malts. Get the roast, the chocolatey notes from the dark malts, and it all comes together on clean base malt. Foreign export stouts were originally made to be stronger than domestic versions. These generally shipped out of the UK around the world, and to make them have a longer shelf life and be able to withstand the journey, they were brewed to a higher strength, they were hopped more, and this is the result hundreds of years later. We still got it around. It's pretty assertive in the roast character, pretty darn bitter, but not over the top. It's well balanced. It does have a nice malt base to it that complements everything, kind of smooths it all together. Yeah, notes of chocolate, a little bit of coffee. Those blend of crystal malts, you can really kind of taste a little bit of like the, almost like fig or raisin from the DRC, and a little bit of sweet caramel from the light crystal malt. And I think it's just a great combination that goes along with the roasted malts and really makes for a very well-rounded beer. And what's great about this beer is it tastes really good young. It's a little rough around the edges. It's pretty roasty, little assertive in that regard. So this is definitely a candidate for aging. Get it bottled, get it in a keg, drink some now, and then try to forget about it. It smooths out wonderfully. It really comes together with just even in a few months. Captain's Ration is available on northernbrewer.com in both extract and all grain versions. If you like these kind of videos and you want to stay ahead of all of our new kit releases, go ahead and hit that like, hit subscribe, and we'll keep these kits and videos coming.